Hi everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique, and today is Vlogmas number 9, I think. Ooh, number 9 already. I think it is. So today I had quite a big day actually. I've got my hat on. I just got back from a Luminary walk. So today I went up to the UP area a little bit, up north in Upper Michigan, and we went hiking today and also helped a friend move a desk. And do you think I could have caught a video as if I'm doing a vlog and maybe I should catch it on video? But no, I seen cats. And when I see cats, it's all about kitty cats. I ended up cuddling with them and not recording anything. So there's that. The desk didn't fit through the house, so I had to go back out the house, and then the window had to come up in the second story, and I am not kidding. And then they had to be lifted up through the window and into the house, and I didn't catch it. So Andy from Backyard Trucking sent me a picture of today. Thank you, Andy. But we had a lot of fun browsing around the property, and we also played a magnet game, which I was going to record, and nope, I've seen the cats, so I just want to play with cats, that's all. We had fun playing games and going for hiking and all that today. Okay, what's the rating?
See, even had the broom.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's a plus. What should we rate this?
You want some hand sanitizer?
Oh, wow.
So.
That's like, and there's toilet paper, so that's...
And what, some feminine products.
Yeah. I don't know about that. Okay, so we're going to rate that, what, at least 5, right?
Huh?
At least 5 stars? Out of 10?
This is at least a 5-star.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Tongue and groove lumber.
Wow.
Yeah. Shingled roof.
Yeah. What would you give that? 5 or more?
Yeah, this is definitely a 5-star.
Okay.
Especially for the amount of money I spent.
Oh, that's funny. That is funny.
Yeah.
So when we got home, we left right away to go into town to the Luminary walk. So I'll show you here what that was about. It was a little bit of a fun walk, although I am very tired because now I've hiked and gone for a long walk. I'm going to be sleeping very well and probably do a little bit of hot tubbing tonight. If you have a donation, they say like bring a donation. I don't have a donation. I should have picked one up. Anyway. Okay. So here we are on the Luminary walk. You excited? Yeah, it's getting very cold. So let's see how long we last. I think they might have hot cocoa. All right. getting all these travels too. When did that happen? I've lived in this town forever. Oh, and then I had Taco Bell. Thank you so much, Grandma, for the gift card to Taco Bell. My family enjoyed it. I got the vegetarian bowl, which was really, really good. I've never had that before. And my kids, and I ordered the party box for the kids, which they enjoyed, and everybody got a pop. So it was a great night. I didn't have to cook. Woo! Thank you, Grandma. I didn't have to cook. It was a great night. Grandma sent us a gift card, so here we're at Taco Bell. Enjoy a chalupa, broccoli, chalupa. What are you gonna get? Some taco? Definitely Diablo and hot sauce. Fire sauce, it's all good.
First time I've been in this place.
What looks better, this or the chalupa? Yeah, let's get one of these. I haven't had that before. Oh yeah. Onions. Okay, that's good. Add. I really want a drink because it's my gift card. Let's get a Diet Pepsi. They have cherry diet? No? What else they got? Ooh, that's exciting. Diet. I'll take that. It's Saturday. Let's get a large. And Johnny, thank you so much for the moon pies. As you can see, I just opened the box. And my kids have eaten all of them. So my kids, thank you for the moon pies, Johnny. Okay, I hope you guys are all having a really good holiday season. Bye, everybody.